Hey everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute and easy Santa Gnome out of this coffee creamer container and then some really inexpensive items I purchased. I used rocks from Dollar Tree to fill the creamer container. I then covered my creamer container with fabric. And just as I did with the coffee creamer container, I covered this Dollar Tree Christmas tree with fabric as well. Next, I glued the gnome hat to the top of the coffee creamer container, and then I purchased a Santa ornament from Dollar Tree. I took the beard off and glued it underneath the hat, and then took a muted gold ornament that the Dollar Tree also sells and put that right under the hat as well. These adorable Santa boot ornaments came from Dollar General. I took the tops off and then used scissors to cut the part that was sticking up off. And then I glued them together and then glued the body to the gnome on top of the boots. I used this faux snow cloth from Dollar Tree, cut it to the size that I needed, folded it how I wanted it, and then glued it to the base of the gnome hat. And the last step is taking this Dollar Tree pom-pom and gluing it to the top of your gnome hat. All right, everybody, here's the final product. This little Santa gnome was so easy to make, so inexpensive to make, and he turned out just adorable. I love him to pieces. If I've inspired you to make one, please put a link in the comments. I would love to check out what you've done. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.